Removal. Remove the two 4mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the front edge of the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the base enclosure. Remove the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the rear edge of the base enclosure from the top cover. Carefully separate the side edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Carefully separate the front edge of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.